fostering coexistence between humans and wildlife with the aid of Rottweilers. Rottweiler and wildlife conservation, fostering coexistence. Introduction. As the human population continues to expand, the natural habitats of wildlife around the world are increasingly being encroached upon. This has led to a significant decline in biodiversity and poses a threat to the delicate balance of ecosystems. However, in recent years, there have been efforts to promote the coexistence of humans and wildlife. One such approach has involved the use of working dogs, including Rottweilers, to aid in wildlife conservation. In this article, we will explore the role that Rottweilers can play in fostering coexistence between humans and wildlife. The nature of Rottweilers. Rottweilers are known for their intelligence, strength, and loyalty. Originally bred in Germany for herding and guarding livestock, they possess a natural protective instinct that can be channeled towards positive endeavors. Rottweilers are quick learners and have the potential to be trained for a variety of tasks. This natural ability and their physical attributes make them ideal candidates for wildlife conservation efforts. Rottweilers as conservation dogs. Conservation dogs, including Rottweilers, can perform a range of tasks that aid in wildlife conservation. One of the most significant roles they play is the detection of wildlife scat, also known as droppings. Wildlife scat carries crucial information about the animals present in an area, including their population size, diet, and health. Rottweilers can be trained to detect and locate scat samples, providing valuable data to conservationists. Additionally, Rottweilers can be trained to track and locate threatened or endangered species. By using their keen sense of smell and tracking abilities, they can help researchers find elusive animals, ensuring their protection and conservation. Rottweilers have been successfully employed in the tracking of species such as tiger and rhinoceros, aiding in their conservation efforts. Rottweilers can also play a role in mitigating human-wildlife conflicts. In many regions, conflicts arise when wildlife, such as bears or wolves, come into contact with human settlements. These conflicts can result in both human and wildlife fatalities. Rottweilers, with their intimidating presence and protective instincts, can be used to deter wildlife from approaching human settlements, reducing the risk of conflicts and protecting both humans and wildlife. Challenges and considerations. While Rottweilers have shown great potential in wildlife conservation efforts, there are a few challenges and considerations that need to be addressed. First and foremost, proper training is crucial to ensure that Rottweilers can perform their tasks effectively and without causing harm to themselves or the wildlife they encounter. Training programs should focus on positive reinforcement and extensive socialization to ensure that the dogs can work in various environments without distress. Another consideration is public perception and safety concerns. Rottweilers, like any large and powerful breed, can be perceived as a threat by some individuals. It is essential to educate the public about the role these dogs play in wildlife conservation and alleviate unnecessary fears. Furthermore, strict protocols should be followed to ensure the safety of both the dogs and the wildlife they encounter during their work. Collaborative efforts and success stories. The success of using Rottweilers in wildlife conservation efforts relies on collaboration between various stakeholders, including researchers, conservation organizations, and local communities. By working together, these stakeholders can develop effective strategies to monitor wildlife populations, mitigate conflicts, and protect endangered species. Several success stories highlight the positive impact that Rottweilers have had in wildlife conservation. In India, trained Rottweilers have been instrumental in tracking and locating tigers, aiding in their conservation. In the United States, similar efforts have resulted in the successful protection of endangered species, such as the grizzly bear. Conclusion. In conclusion, Rottweilers have the potential to play a significant role in fostering coexistence between humans and wildlife. Their intelligence, strength, and protective instincts make them ideal candidates for wildlife conservation efforts. Through their ability to detect scat, track endangered species, and mitigate conflicts, Rottweilers can provide invaluable support to conservationists. However, proper training, public education, and collaborative efforts are crucial to ensure their success. With these considerations in place, Rottweilers can contribute to the conservation of wildlife and the preservation of our planet's biodiversity.